So we are harvesting some of our fruits. So we have apple tree, but it's almost done with the apple. We already and pear here. We have pear and some framboos. I don't know how to say it. Look at that one. They are so cute and so tasty as well. Look at this ones. So this is our garden. Look at that. Huh? They are so tasty. So it's only one or two plants, but they are making enough fruits. It's so tasty. Look at that. Wow. I love it. You don't have to even wash because it's really natural. Yeah, tasty. Eleanor's busy with some. Schat, hoe zeg je druiven in
Grapes.
Grapes. Yeah. So it's grapes. So yeah, here's my fish pond with the koi fish. Yeah. And these are our grapes. You see? Yeah. Yeah.
Ik wil een beetje mooier nog.
Yeah. You see that?
Deze is ook
So
nice. Maar daar kunnen we niet bij.
Ja,
dat is
waar?
een
Welke?
showpiece.
Daar?
Ja.
Zo, ja.
Nee, hier.
Ja, doe ik straks. Ik ga even eten eerst.
Ja, doe maar eten. Doe jij eten.
So yeah, this is our garden with our. Schat, what is dit in Engels? Is cumin, zie je?
Fennel.
Fennel.
Fennel. Ja.
Yeah, this is fennel. It's so.
Net is een bloeien.
Yeah, it's a flowers of fennel. If I don't know fennel. Yeah, that's
Ja, dat is een andere naam voor de hurk.
Yeah, in India we eat this in always put it in masala curries and all. So did you see two little buddies on the top of this? That's so cute. The ladybug and oh my god, it's windy. Yeah, the cute little ladybug. Yeah, they are so smelly. It's so tasty. The smell is really like a smell of masala, Indian masala. Look at that ladybug, small one. And we have one pair left here. All other ones are gone. So I was making and yeah, I had a few apples left here. All I plucked. So there was one last one left. It's not so good, and most of them had eaten by birds and all. So we have one small bird in there, in that nest that we made it. And I was busy with making pancakes, special pancakes. See, look at that. This I made it. Oh. Wow, lekker. So so I just chopped the apples. So yeah, and it's a really different one. Look at that. And then a little bit kismis, you know, the dry grapes. Put it that too, of course, and then pancake mix. That's it. And thank you for watching. Maybe see you in another video. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna do it, maybe not. But it's good to see you again, guys.